What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. You guys already know that's my little catchphrase that I use in every single video, but I am so happy to be back, and today I am bringing you guys a SHEIN unboxing haul. I am going to be trying on some of the things that I got. To be honest, I don't even remember what I ordered in the SHEIN order, but I have a big old box right here that's been sitting in my closet for the last month, and I'm like, I'm not going to take anything out of it until I record this video and I show you guys what I got. So let's go ahead and do that so I can remember what the heck I ordered, because ya ni me acuerdo. But you guys, if you like any of the items that I'm going to be showing, just know that they're going to be linked down below in the description box, and you guys can always use my code COLTONFAMILY for some money off. I've actually talked to some of my friends and they were like, wait, I haven't been using your code, and I'm like, come on, get it together. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Vamos a ver. Okay, para empezar, no me voy a agarrar la que sea, okay? This one. This one looks like, vamos a ver, a shirt. Okay, so I am going on a trip in a couple of months, and I wanted to get colors that were like vibrant or like, you know, not black. And I know that I always say this, I always say I don't want to be ordering any more black clothes, but I just can't get away with them. People say like are you sure you liked your surgery because you're still in black, yada yada. You guys, I am so happy with myself, but it's so hard to get away from black. So we're gonna try it. So esta blusita, I went ahead and ordered. It's like a little tube shirt. Is that what they're called? I don't know. But it's just cute. It's blue. Before, when I didn't have my boobs done or like reduced or whatever, I could not wear shirts like this. But now, just wait till summer, you guys. Waiting till summer. So vamos a ver qué más. Oh my god, I do remember what this is. This is a dress, you guys. Should I try it on for you guys? Miren, es como pegadito. The little thing on the bottom, and then the boobs are gonna be out. Okay, I want to try this one on. I'll be right back. Oh my god, this dress is so freaking cute, you guys. I love it, and I really hope that this camera captures like how good it looks. I don't have a tripod, so I'm gonna try the best because I'm like, you guys can see all of it. But you guys, I freaking love it so much. It literally looks so cute. That is it. I'm sticking to this color. It looks so good. Oh my god. Ya voy a ir a despertar a George so he can go look at me. Alrighty, moving on to the next item, you guys. What did I get? I went ahead and got this shirt. It's pretty much like see-through, obviously, because it has like the little mesh, pero at the front it's covered, you know, like where it needs to be covered, it's covered. So I think that would look so cute too. Ese no me lo voy a medir because then I have to put on jeans and all that, so let's try not to. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Wait, you guys, I freaking forgot that I ordered these jeans. Eso sí me lo voy a medir because I've been wanting these jeans. I have some jeans that are like kind of similar with the chains on the side, but this ones, they have the chains like aquí arriba, so I don't know if it's going to be showing too much, if it's only going to be like jeans that are going to be good for like content on like Instagram, or if I'm actually going to wear them, because you guys know me, a mí no me gusta, like, I don't like to expose a lot. So I'm gonna go try these on. That's it. I think I chose so many cute things. You guys are gonna like these jeans. Let me go ahead and show you guys, okay? Don't mind the marks that I have from my faja. And you can see my calzón. So let me see if I push it down. Okay, I pushed it on this side. Look how cute. Look how cute. Okay, and look, check out the back. Oh. Okay. You guys, my camera is almost dying. So let me show you guys. By the way, all of my jean sizes are small right now. So small. This is a cute shirt for Mr. Georgie. Get your man clothes from SHEIN, you guys. I use my discount code because they're so cute. Say this. What is this? I'm gonna try to hurry now. Camera's dying. Okay. Ooh, jeans. A lot of these jeans, I pictured them with my platform Converse. So they're like open de acá abajo. Cute, cute, cute. Only because in the summer I want to be wearing jeans, since I haven't been wearing any jeans at all, except like when I do go out. Pero other than that, no he usado tantos jeans. ¿Esto qué es? This one. Oh, it's a white dress. Okay, okay. I went from like getting everything black. But I like iris. I went from getting everything black to getting white. What the heck? I feel like this one's gonna shape me really good. Cute, cute, cute. ¿Qué más, you guys? What other stuff did I get? These are for Georgie. You guys, they have like the cutest sets for guys. Like they're just like comfortable sets that come with like the shorts and the t-shirts. You guys should get them. These. Ooh. I guess I got some black ones. Like I don't remember. Look. Cute. I believe I had these in a size large, you guys. And I got rid of all my large jeans. Yeah, this one's a small. ¿Qué más? ¿Qué más? What is this? Imagine. I don't remember what I got. Ooh. This is like a cute little top. Look. It goes like this. It goes like this. It'll all make sense one day, you guys. When I go on this trip, all these shirts will make sense. Y yo, nomás que se va a tener que amarrar bien. Vamos a ver este que es. Wait. What? Y'all, I did not order two. I did not order two shirts. Igualitas. Alright, well, this looks like I'm doing a giveaway for you guys. So if you want one of these shirts, I'm going to be giving away one porque me mandaron dos. Go ahead and comment. Just comment black shirt down in the comments and you will be entered to win a black shirt. They are size small, so do remember. Actually, yeah, they are a size small, but they tie. So, what the heck? This mess. Ooh, another cute dress. I think this was just like a simple green dress. Cute. Alrighty, you guys, so I think that is all of the things that I went ahead and got. Should have been like 15 items. No sé ni cuántos les enseñé, but remember, everything will be linked down in the description box below. So make sure if you guys want any of these, the jeans, 100% recommend the jeans. Just go ahead and click the links. Like, there's actually going to be links, and remember, you guys can use my discount code. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want me to order some more jeans so I can just do like a jean try on haul, because I think that would be a cool idea. But let me know. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.